Welcome back, baby. You already know what it is. In today's day and age, the algorithm is always demanding more videos, so we're gonna be making another video today. Check the time out, 2:39 p.m. We're gonna be cutting it close again. So enough yapping, let's get spapping. I wanted to say spinning, but it didn't rhyme with yapping, so I said spapping. We're wasting time, let's go. Today, we are gonna be doing... a best versus worst breakdown. Okay. Interesting. What can I be doing best versus worst of? The immediate thing that comes to mind is cameras, because I have a really good camera. I guess I don't really have like a crappy camera, or actually, yes, I do. Hold on, give me 1 second. Now, I know this is crazy and really stupid, but my first thought is to use a DS camera. You see that? The DS does have a camera on it, so this is probably the worst camera that I currently have in my house right now. So I could do like a best versus worst situation there. The question now becomes, do I want it to be like I tried to make a good video with this versus that camera? Or am I literally just gonna be sitting it down as if it was like a real tech review? I kind of like that. I kind of like sitting it down and pretending it's like a real legitimate tech review of the 2DS camera versus an FX3. It's such a stupid video idea, but it's funny. What time is it? 2:45. So we got to get up and started and shooting this thing. Let's go. So I'm thinking I don't really want to do it like in my normal kind of setup, because I want to do it at like it doesn't have to be a desk, but at least like a table sort of thing in my living room. We have a desk here. Yeah, I guess we'll do it here, because this takes less setup and time is of the essence. So let's get this thing set up, baby. Okay, this is the quick little setup that I constructed. It could be better, but it's good enough. Now I'm using both my cameras, so I'm not gonna have a backup shot of this, but you know, you can just use your imagination. Okay, just got finished filming that stupid, that's probably the dumbest video I've ever filmed. But I think it could be funny. Now we just have to rush and get this thing edited, because we are running behind on time, baby. Okay, so I have all my footage in my project here, and now it's time to just get cracking. Get crack-a-lackin', slacky-whackin'. Doing a lot of weird rhyming today, I don't know. Now, I think I'm gonna do the same thing as last time, since I don't have a ton of time here, where I'm just gonna have Underlord do a quick rough cut and kind of like organize the video, I guess, because I did just ramble. Wow, the amount of filler words here is insane. Can you rough cut this video? All right, let's see what the big UL comes up with. Okay, so we got Underlord's rough cut here. Now this is still at 15 minutes, so I want to keep this video around like 5 minutes. So yeah, I'm kind of just going through and trimming all the fat. This one, it doesn't need to be like heavily edited, I don't think. Tech reviews videos are typically slower paced anyways, but yeah. Chop, chop, the clock is ticking. Now, if I'm being honest here, I'm just gonna be completely honest with you guys. I think I'm gonna stop editing this video at 5:30 instead of 5, which I know is like, you can technically see it as me breaking the rules or whatever. I stopped working at 5:30 just as much as I stopped working at 5. I feel like it's not a crazy thing. I'm gonna push a little bit more into 5:30. It'll be an after hours edit, a nice vibey after hours edit. Okay, I just finished up figuring out my sections. Now I'm gonna actually go through and trim out all the fat and silences and stuff. But now we have our structure, so we can go ahead and polishing it even more before getting into our fine cut. Okay, so now we have our video officially rough cutted and ready to go into the fine cut stage. Now we did knock it down a few minutes, so now it's about 6 minutes long, which is like the perfect length that we wanted. I feel like a lot of the more serious stuff that I talked about, like actual like specs and stuff, I just cut a lot of that out because that's kind of not the point of the video, to be a real camera comparison. So now we just got to go into the fine cut stage, and this is where layouts is going to be my best friend. I'm not gonna be able to go super effects heavy with this, especially not with the time we have. So layouts, buddy, you are gonna carry me to the end. I think first I'll start with making the titles for each section. Let's see, what do we wanna do? Let's do chapter titles. What does this one look like? Which one might be better for you? Yeah, that feels good. All right, so now we'll just fill up all the titles first real quick. Just like that, we have all of our titles designed. Now we're just gonna go through, and I think there's just gonna be a lot of layouts that kind of makes me feel a little better because it makes me feel like I won't be wasting that much time here. And also in the audio section, I don't think there's gonna be like a lot of sound effects either. I think it's just gonna be kind of a simple music track. So technically, we don't have a lot left to do. It's just a matter of getting it done. Okay, so I think for this section here, we want to have this sort of view, like a list split screen. And then we want to copy this image and we'll paste it in here. I also think we can move this a little bit. Okay, and then here, we'll add a new scene. We'll add a smart transition for this scene. And then we're just gonna change this new Nintendo 2DS XL. The new Nintendo 2DS XL. Now this, okay, then we're just gonna do the same thing. We're gonna use this list layout a ton throughout this whole video. Okay, I think we're done with our picture lock. Why am I tired? I didn't do a lot of effects here, to be honest. This part of the video is very visually plain, which I don't feel the best about, but I still think it's good. I heavily relied on layouts to give me any sort of visual interest through this. I think we're just gonna throw a music track in here and keep it pushing. What music do we want to do? I guess like lo-fi, something chill, something techie. I don't know. Cool. We'll go this one, sure. Why not? Whatever, dude. Boom, throw this on there. Little comparison video so that you can kind of weigh your options, see what might be better for you. Sounds good. And okay, I think we're done. I think we are officially done. Hands off the keyboard. And there it is. We are officially at time. Okay, taking the headphones off. Wow, these headphones are like moist. No way I sweat that much. That's gross, sorry. But yeah, video is just about done. I didn't do much for audio. I literally just added like a music track. I didn't have time for like sound effects and stuff like that. But this is definitely like the most involved I've made a video in such a short amount of time. It was like a rush trying to get all this stuff done. Editing this video was kind of interesting in that most of the work was kind of done in the rough cut. Picture lock and final mixing were very simple, which is like very much never the case. So that's kind of interesting. But we finished, we have a video. I'm happy with this video. Of course it could be better, but I also think that's something that I feel like is changing. I find myself saying a lot less now that like this video could be better, or at least thinking that. And I feel a lot more of just like, yeah, I'm happy with it, sure. Which I think is a very good change of mentality, because videos could always be better, but I'm starting to like accept just being happy with it, which I think is cool. So yeah, now it's time to do the dang thing, baby. We go up here to export, boom, and we publish, boom. Just like that, we're done. So again, I challenge you watching, sorry my finger's all up in your grill like this, to go out and make a video in a day. As a matter of fact, right now, no matter what you're doing or what time of day you're watching this at, I'm forcing you to make a video, and it has to be done at the end of the day, or else I take your house. Just kidding, I won't take your house. I don't know where you live, and also that's not legal, but I will do something equally as severe. Okay, bye. See you guys in the next one.